All right, guys, today we're checking out the Weize Cargo Carrier 500-pound capacity deluxe. Got this from Harbor Freight on sale for $50. We're gonna be checking it out, checking the welds, the quality, the rust proofing, paint job, whatever. And also gonna be using this Weize anti-rattle hitch tightener, which is a must-have for any hitch accessory. So let's go check out the product. All right, so I got everything out and about in my trunk so far. Quality wise, paint seems to be decent for its price range, $50. Welds seem to be fairly average, nothing too crazy, nothing too great, a little sloppy, but a little separation there. Let's see, actually no, not really separation, just a little imperfect. It's still attached to the metal, so some more welds over here seem to be good. A couple of scratches, not a big deal. It's caused by me, didn't come like that. Yeah, just wipe that off. But anyways, simple and to the point. Instructions are also very easy. Just took a brief look at it. Basically putting it together like Legos, nothing really too crazy. So set up before use. A couple of pieces here. Let's see here, pretty self-explanatory. So let's put this thing together and see how this thing looks after we're done. All right, got everything assembled here. Instructions says to finger tight every bolt before tightening it down, because if you tighten it down, this top bracket here won't align. So make sure you finger tighten first and then torque it down. So far this is how it looks. Let's torque this thing down and get this anti-rattle hitch tightener installed right after this. All right, got everything torqued down. The top bracket is a 13 millimeter, bottom, like I said before, 18 millimeter. Torqued it down nice and tight. Let's put it on. All right, here it is installed, nice and easy. Down here, you got the pin, the R pin clip. So far, let's see, it does rattle quite a bit, but yeah, that's why I got this here. Let's open the box and get this thing installed. Instructions are very simple, so yeah, let's go check it out. All right, we got that hitch tightener installed. As you may remember, it was shaking pretty violently. Now it is making a lot less noise. It is pretty tight on there. Some movement. Might have to tighten it down a little bit more, but so far it's a huge improvement than before. The bolt is a 19 millimeter, so just for your reference there, it's pretty good. We're gonna be heading out on our 200-300 mile road trip soon, so we're definitely be using this thing, and we'll check back to see how well this thing works. Thank you guys for watching.